Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are diving into the world of bridal makeup. Whether you are bride to be or a makeup enthusiast, we have got you covered with our ultimate bridal makeup kit must have. So let's get started. First we have the foundation. Finding the perfect foundation shade and formulas is crucial for a flawless base on your big day. Look for long-lasting high coverage option that will stay put under any circumstances. Next, let's move on to the eye. A versatile eyeshadow palette is a must-have for creating range of looks. From soft and natural to bold and dramatic, ensure your kit includes both matte and shimmer shades for endless possibilities. To make your eyes pop, mascara is essential. Opt for a waterproof formula to withstand any tears or happiness, and keep your lashes looking luscious and voluminous throughout the ceremony and reception. Don't forget about the eyebrows. A good brows product can frame your face and complete your overlook. A brow pencil or pomade will help you achieve well-defined brow that stay put all day. Now let's focus those cheeks. Blush adds a natural flush and dimension to your face. Choose a pigmented blush that complements your skin tone and create a healthy, radiant glow. Highlighter is another game changer. Apply it to the high points of your face for a luminous and dew appearances. The right highlighter will give you that bright glow and make your skin look positively radiant. Lastly, let's talk about the lip. A long-lasting lipstick or lip stain is a bridal makeup essential. Opt for a shade that complements your skin tone and goes perfectly with your overlook brighter look. Remember, these are just the basics, and you can always add more product to your kit depending on your personal preference. Practice your bridal makeup look before the big day to ensure everything looks perfect. And thank you for watching our ultimate bridal makeup kit must have. We hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel for more beauty tips and tutorial. And guys, if you want to purchase this product, then I'll share link is in description box. You can check it out. Till then, bye, take care guys, and thank you for watching my video.